Fine, Kakarot. Then I'm taking your son.
Oh, you motherfucker. All right, okay, Raditz. Huh? But let me ask you this, who's Kakarot, huh? Because I don't know who that is.
Did you bump your head? Kakarot is your birth
My
name.
grandfather named me Goku, and that's what you better call me. All right. Secondly, you will not be taking my son nowhere with you. He's my responsibility.
You do like me.
Like you? What law is there say I got to like you?
At least you still have your Saiyan spirit.
Oh, all right, okay. We making up words now.
What?
You just called me a Saiyan. But we all know you just pulled that out your ass.
No, you're a Saiyan from the planet Vegeta.
Oh, all right, okay.
Do you understand now?
All right, okay.
And you'll join me.
All right, okay.
Good. You can prove your loyalty by killing 100
All right,
people.
okay.
Why do you keep saying that?
Cause King Kai ain't got sent on me!
How are you a Super Saiyan already? It's episode 1!
All right, Raditz, you got 9 seconds.
No, brother, please, don't equalize my ass!
All right, okay, then you put my son down.
Of course, whatever you say, brother.
My nigga.